Hello. Hi, my name is Santana. If you are new to my channel, how lucky that you stumbled across me. Welcome. And if you're returning, glad you liked me enough to come back. All right, let's get into today's video. So, today I'm back with another styling video because once again you guys seem to like them and I like doing them. Today we're gonna do another kind of basic type of clothing item. I have these black Nike sweats that I got from Plato's Closet very recently. Just thrifted them. I love them. They're very comfortable. They're the perfect length. They're high-waisted. They're not like jogger type of sweats. So that might kind of change the concept of the outfits. But either way, they're plain black sweats. So here's some inspiration for some ways you could wear them. Also, note, cute clips in my hair. I just ordered 120 clips from Amazon. And every single color you could ever imagine. Really happy. Also, for the whole video, I will be wearing the same shoes just because keep it simple and these shoes work with every outfit. They're just these white platform shoes. I also got these at Plato's Closet. They're brand Superga? I don't know. But this is what they look like. They're just super duper cute. So I'll be wearing them. And is there anything else that needs to be said? I don't think so. So let's just get on to the video. Okay, just hopping right in. Normally I give a very in-depth description of the outfit, why I chose it, blah blah blah. I'm gonna try to keep that a little shorter this video so we can focus more on the actual showing part, not just me talking. Okay. Enough of me talking. Alright, first outfit, black on black. Why did I choose it? Because black always goes with black. Black on black always looks good on anyone. This shirt, I honestly don't know where it came from. Just some random shirt that I cut and tied. It was in my last styling video, pretty sure. But yeah, black on black. You can wear any color, add any color accessories, any color shoes, anything like that. So black on black is always a go-to for me. So the next shirt we're working with is this little baby tee type of shirt. It is from Shein. Sorry, it's kind of see-through. But I chose this one because I feel like any top, this is like super duper cropped and it's kind of hard to find pants that go well with the shirt because you feel kind of naked. Sweats are good because not only are they high-waisted, they also like cover a lot, so you don't really feel naked when you're wearing them with the tiny little crop top. But that's what I did for this next outfit. Oh my ankle. This was breaking my ankle. Platform shoes are dangerous. Okay, that's enough. That's enough for this one. Also wanted to throw in that I styled these pants and these shoes with this really cute shirt from Shein. If you want to see that, because I'm not going to include it in the video, it's on my Instagram, so you can find me on Instagram if you want to see some of my other outfits that don't make it in my videos. Okay, so for our next shirt, another one that was in my last video as well, but this is a little purple crop top. It is from a set from Zaful. You've probably seen it if you've watched my other videos. I like to style it a lot. The point of this one is just kind of like you can wear any color with black, so I decided to go with purple. Purple's my favorite color, and you can just add any simple colored basic tee, some black sweats, and you got yourself a funky little outfit. Okay, so next shirt styling choice. I wanted to throw a t-shirt in here, you know, so they weren't all just a bunch of tiny crop top, but I still wear cropped t-shirt. But I mean, you could wear any length t-shirt realistically. I chose cropped one. This one is from Dolls Kill. And yeah, once again, you can do any color, any style, anything. They're plain black sweats. You can literally wear any shirt realistically. But I just chose this one. This kind of gives me like a hip hop kind of feel. So I like this outfit, very comfortable. And lastly, I'm gonna end us off with a little matching set type of deal kind of idea. So I forgot I had this Adidas shirt actually. So I was like, how cute. Adidas pants, Adidas shirt, and it's black. Boom, boom, boom. Just thought I'd throw this outfit in there because it's pretty cute. I feel like if you own Adidas clothes, you probably own multiple pieces, so you kind of style them together, get a little Adidas fit going. Oh my god. Alright, well that brings us to the end of this video. I hope that you liked it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And I hope these outfits maybe provided some inspiration or just some entertainment. If any of that is true, if you did like the video, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell because we're not going anywhere anytime soon. And with all that being said, once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the flip.